Hello everyone, thank you for your attention to FirstMold's Global Parts Manufacturing Solutions. FirstMold is a global parts manufacturer. On our online platform, simply uploading your 3D files, you'll get an instant quote for the parts you need. In this video, we'll walk you through our end-to-end service, from online inquiry to product delivery, and help you get high-quality injection molded parts more efficiently. Please be free to visit our official website at www.firstmold.com and click the Get a Quote button at the top right. First, fill in your contact details on the new page to make sure our project manager can reach out to you in time. Next, enter your basic product parameters, such as material and quantity. This could directly shape the production plan and cost estimate. In the 3D upload section, we recommend STP, STEP, IGS or IGS files. If you have OBJ or STL files, please convert them to one of the above formats before uploading. This helps ensure production accuracy and avoids extra back and forth over missing file details. Please note that we do not offer product design services if you upload only JPG or PNG images. We'll still need your 3D CAD files later. All your data is kept strictly confidential. If you're concerned about privacy, email sales@firstmold.com and we'll sign an NDA before you send your core files. Once we receive your information, you'll be assigned a dedicated project manager, that fastest within 4 hours, and you'll get an accurate quote within 24 hours. Our engineers will then confirm key technical details: part geometry, material choice, tolerances, surface finish, and more. At this stage, we include a free basic DFM review. If you need mold flow analysis or deeper design optimization, we'll provide it at no extra cost after you approve the quote and sign the contract. After the contract is signed, FirstMold will begin mold design, procurement of raw materials, machining of cores and cavities, fabrication of mold components, mold assembly and fitting, trial runs, and surface texturing. Based on trial results, we'll optimize the mold and run a second trial. Once performance and quality meet your requirements, we move into injection molding production. Throughout the process, we perform multiple inspections, and you'll receive material test reports, full dimensional reports, and trial run reports. If you want to stay updated, we can send you progress videos regularly. During production, we use both 100% inspection and spot checks. Finished parts receive your chosen surface finish and are packed with anti-shock materials for safe delivery. FirstMold's online platform solves the challenges of finding a reliable manufacturer. We invite you to visit our headquarters in China or our branch in Mexico anytime. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to partnering with you on even better parts manufacturing solutions.